Major General Don R. Ostrander. Major General Don Richard Ostrander was born September 24, 1914 in Stockbridge, Michigan, and was valedictorian of the Stockbridge High School class of 1931. He studied engineering at Western State College, now Western Michigan University, before he was appointed to the U.S. Military Academy at West Point, where he graduated in 1937 as a member of the Academy's last cavalry class. After graduating, Ostrander entered flight school at Fort Bliss, Texas, where he also served as a cavalry troop commander until 1939. He then served in aviation ordnance command positions at various airfields, including Selfridge Air Force Base. In May 1942, Ostrander was assigned to the 8th Air Force Interceptor Command in England as Ordnance and Armament Officer, where he helped modify the P-38 Lightning to include a Norden bombsight and bombardier, the so-called P-38 Droop Snoot. He also flew as bombardier in the first test flights. In 1944, Ostrander returned to the U.S., where he served as Director of Material and Service at Army Air Force Tactical Command. He attended the Command and Staff School in 1946 and the Industrial College of the Armed Forces in 1947. Following 4 years at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, he assumed command positions with the 65 40th Missile Test Wing at Holloman Air Force Base. After the base was designated the Holloman Air Development Center, he was promoted to Brigadier General and became commander of the center. Ostrander was promoted to Major General in 1958 and served with NATO International Staff in Paris. He then returned to the U.S. as Deputy Director of the Advanced Research Projects Agency at the Pentagon. From 1959 until 1961, General Ostrander served as Director of the Office of Launch Vehicles for NASA and, working alongside German aerospace engineer Werner von Braun, was responsible for the development of early space launch vehicles, including the Saturn I rocket. General Ostrander left NASA in 1961 and assumed command of the Office of Aerospace Research, where he managed the research programs of the U.S. Air Force. He retired in 1965 as Vice Commander of the Ballistic Systems Division. General Ostrander died in 1972 and is buried in Arlington Cemetery. Major General Don R. Ostrander is enshrined in the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame for his many and varied contributions to the advancement of aviation and space exploration.